Here it is, folks. If you were skeptical about believing all the signs pointing to a big battery on the Galaxy Note 9, then Samsung's new teaser for its upcoming flagship should be the final confirmation you need. Samsung's second teaser video for the Galaxy Note 9 shows how the phone will save us from the low battery scares that we're all too familiar with in our day-to-day lives. Samsung is being a bit shameless here by showing an iPhone in the video to put across its point, especially after the rather small battery the Galaxy Note 8 had last year. But that shouldn't take away from the fact that the Galaxy Note 9 will have what it takes to get you through the day without reaching for the charger or your battery pack. We just hope the battery is tested properly this time around. Of course, there's no reason it won't be, as Samsung has learned its lesson after everything that happened with the Galaxy Note 7. The video doesn't tell us the battery capacity, but that bit of info and other Galaxy Note 9 specs have already been out in the open for a long time now. It's a 4000 mAh battery, in case you have been living under a rock and haven't been following all the Galaxy Note 9 coverage on SamMobile and on the internet in general. Samsung is also going to release a new wireless charger that can charge two devices at once. This wireless charger will support the upcoming Galaxy Watch as well. There are also going to be a few upgrades in other areas, such as a more powerful S Pen and stereo speakers. Do let us know what you think about Samsung finally taking battery life seriously on its flagship phones down in the comments. Flexible OLED displays have been around for a few years now, however their implementations in consumer devices have so far been limited to putting the flexible panel behind a rigid piece of protective glass. Samsung Display has just announced the next step up from that, a flexible OLED panel that has a transparent plastic cover already attached, emulating the properties of glass but retaining the screen's innate flexibility. Without the need for glass, this screen has proven rugged enough to be certified by UL for its durability. Samsung, describing the new panel as unbreakable, reports that it has withstood UL's military standards tests of 26 successive drops from a height of 1.2 meters, close to 4 feet, as well as extreme temperatures as high as 71 degrees Celsius, 159.8 degrees Fahrenheit, and as low as -32 degrees Celsius, -25.6 degrees Fahrenheit. The OLED display continued to function normally with no damage to its front, sides, or edges, we're told, and Samsung even went further by performing a successful drop test from 1.8 meters, 6 feet. Obviously developed primarily for smartphones, this new flexible OLED panel will also be offered for use in other electronic devices such as portable game consoles, military devices, e-learning tablets, and in-car displays. Samsung Display isn't offering a timeline for when we might expect a release of any products with the supposedly unbreakable OLED panel inside them, and it has yet to announce mass production of the new component. So while the new screen sounds exciting, we should probably restrain our enthusiasm until it gets closer to showing up in real devices.